Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a well-known Dominican dish called Morro con Guandules. Guandules is actually pigeon peas. You can buy it anywhere in the supermarket, at least I know of, on St. Martin in the States. And over here you can mostly find it at the tacos. We're gonna make our Morro con Guandules with coconut milk. So check the list down below for the ingredients so you know what to get at this grocery store. And let's start. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. P.S. Remember, everyone makes their rice differently. This is how we make it. And again, thanks to my mom-in-law for coming by and showing me how it's done. Don't forget to comment below if you're gonna make it, when you're gonna make it, how it turned out, and how you make yours. Thanks for watching. Bye.